Anchorage Assembly. The Anchorage Assembly is the governing body of Anchorage, Alaska. The Assembly has 6 members and 1 mayor. The Assembly is responsible for creating and approving the city's annual budget, appropriating municipal funding, and managing elections. Seats in the Assembly are officially nonpartisan. Notable former members: Mark Vidich, former U.S. Senator and Mayor of Anchorage. Chris Birch, former member of the Alaska Legislature, 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 Legislature. H. A. Boucher, Second Lieutenant Governor of Alaska, Craig Campbell, 10th Lieutenant Governor of Alaska. Matt Claman, member of the Alaska House of Representatives and former acting mayor of Anchorage. Eric Croft, former member of the Alaska House of Representatives. Harriet Drummond, member of the Alaska House of Representatives. Fred Dyson, former member of the Alaska Legislature. Alaska Legislature. Elvie Gray Jackson, member of the Alaska Senate. Tony Knowles, 7th Governor of Alaska and former mayor of Anchorage. Anna McKinnon, former member of the Alaska Legislature. Kevin Mayer, 14th Lieutenant Governor of Alaska. Pete Peterson, member of the Alaska House of Representatives. Austin Quinn Davidson, acting mayor of Anchorage. Lydia Selcraig, Italian-American geologist and professor of regional planning. Arlis Sturgulewski, former member of the Alaska Senate. Dan Sullivan, former mayor of Anchorage. Charles Wolforth, author and journalist. George Wewich, former mayor of Anchorage. References